obsessed with me. Well, I guess that just